Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, today we will learn what is system state backup and how to take or how to perform system state backup. Okay, so let me jump on my domain controller. This is my domain controller, and in same way you need to log in to your domain controller. Okay, if you want to schedule a system state backup for your Active Directory domain controller. Okay, so just log into the domain controller and go to the add roles and features. Once you will open the server manager. Okay, once click to add roles and feature, you need to click to next, and let me show you here just you need to check if your server name and IP address is showing or not, where or on which server you want to install. So that name and IP should be here, that server name. Okay, next, click to next. In the feature tab, here we need to install one feature. You can see Windows Server Backup. Okay, let's select and click to next and click to install. So once it will be installed, we'll try to schedule a system state backup. Till now, let me show you what is the system state backup. Okay, so here you can see a system state backup includes critical system related components and files that are necessary for recovering the operating system in case of failure. Okay, so suppose if you are using a domain controller, or using domain controller if you are managing users computers. Okay, so just to keep safe the domain controller or your Active Directory environment, you should schedule system state backup. Okay, system state backup includes, like you can see, registry, boot files, com, class registration, Active Directory if domain controller, sysvol folder backup, certificate services if installed, IIS services, cluster info if server is a part of cluster, performance counter configuration. So all these critical components will be backed up using system state backup. Okay, let me minimize this and let's check if role already installed. Yes, so here you can see installation succeeded on dc.itparivar.lan. So my domain controller name is dc and itparivar.lan is domain name. In same way, here it will show your domain name. Okay, let's just close this, and now let's go to the tools and go to the bottom. Here you can see Windows Server Backup. Just click on that. Windows Server Backup console will be opened like this. It's taking some time, so let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, so here few days back, I was just for the testing purpose, I was scheduled a backup that is showing here failed. Okay, so let's schedule a fresh backup. Okay, so what you need to do is just right click and you can see backup schedule, backup once, recover, and same options are here also, backup schedule, backup once, recovery. Okay, so if you want to schedule, you can just click to schedule backup. Okay, click to next, and here you will see two options, full server and custom. So if you want to take full server backup, okay, you can go with this option. Otherwise, if you need to just get system state backup, select this custom option, click to next. Okay, click to add items, and here you can select system state backup. Okay, you can see here bare metal, recovery, system state, system reserved, CD, or whatever drives on your server, it will show here. Okay, so if you want to take other backups like C drive backup, D drive backup, or bare metal backup, okay, bare metal recovery backup, you can select and say okay. As of now, I'm going to just get the system state backup, so selected and say okay. Go to advanced setting once. Okay, once you go to the advanced setting, here you can see VSS settings, VSS full backup. Choose this option if you are not using any other product to backup application. Choose this option if you are using another product to keep backup application. So here we are not using any third-party tool or software like Veeam backup or Commvault backup or any other backup tools. So we can go with this option. Okay, so let's go with this option, VSS full backup. Say okay, and then click to next. Once you will click to next, you will see here the option once a day. Okay, you need to select the timing, by what time this system state backup should be executed or should run. Okay, if you want a backup in a day, once a day, you can just select this and select the timing. Okay, if you want more than once a day, you can just select this option and you can select the timing here, right? Timing, and then just click to add like this. Okay, so in this way you can click to next. Here you can see backup to a hard disk that is dedicated for backup to volume, like C drive, except C drive. If you have D drive, E drive, you can go with this option. If you have a shared network folder, you can select this, click to next, and okay, and here you need to enter your shared folder path. Okay, so I'm going to take backup, system state backup, and on this computer drive only, maybe on D drive. So I'm going with this option, backup to a volume. Click to next, click to add, and once you click to add here, you will see the available drives on your server. Okay, if you are going to, or if you are plan to take system short backup locally on the server. So here you can see I have D drive and D drive is showing. So let's say okay. Let me show you one thing. Just let me open my PC. Okay, this PC, and you can see here C drive and new volume D drive. Here you can say only there are two folders, backup and HR important data. Okay, let's minimize this and let's say next. Okay, here you can see system state. Let's click to finish. Before that, you can see here backup times. Its schedule time is 3 a.m. and 9 p.m. Okay, so once we'll click to finish, this backup will not be started right now. Okay, this backup will start at 3 a.m. and then 9 p.m. So let me finish first. Here you can see backup schedule is going on, completed. Just close, and then you can do one thing now. If you want to just take backup quickly, or okay, so 1 second, you can see here the option is backup once. Click on this. Once you will click here, you will see the option create backup. Now using schedule backup option, right? Different options. So we have already scheduled a backup. Okay, so what we can do, we can go with this, or if you want to go with different option, choose the option if you have not created a schedule backup, right? Or to specify your location or item for this backup that different from the schedule backup. Okay, so if you have already scheduled, then you can go with this option. Otherwise you can go with different options. So we have already scheduled the backup. Okay, just click to next. Now you can see system state backup. We have already already created a scheduler. Okay, we have already scheduled for system state backup, but now with this option, backup once option, we are going to take backup or start system state backup before scheduled time. Okay, or just to show you, I am going to start this backup right now using this option, backup once option. So if you want, if you have already scheduled a backup, and but if you want to take backup due to some reason, okay, before schedule, you can go with this option and and then you need to select that option, those like already scheduled or different option, right? So once you'll select already scheduled, and if you'll go and click to next, then you will see here creating shadow copy of volumes and backup item is system state. Okay, so backup is going on. Now let me show you one more thing. It will take some time. Till now, let me show you. Here you can see few minutes back we saw there were only two these folders, right? Now one Windows image backup folder created here, you can see. Okay, if you'll open this, you can see, you will see here the DC name. My domain controller name is DC. You can see here I have remotely logged in. Okay, once you'll open this folder, you will see here the backup files. So in this way, guys, you can schedule backup, or you can run already scheduled backup. Okay, so this will take some time, and this depend on your infrastructure environment or servers on server. Like if you have more files for backup, so it's depend on that. It will take some time. You can see here the file found, and here also. Okay, so as we already checked, this will take some time, and backup image file already created in D drive. So once it will be finished, okay, let me close. It will be running in the background. You can see here, you can see files are getting backed up. Okay, once it will be completed, it will mark as it will mark as right mark. Okay, with right mark, or it will be marked as green. Okay, so in this way you can back up your Active Directory domain controller system files by just scheduling system state backup. In next video we'll see how we can recover AD objects. Okay, what we'll do, we'll delete the few AD objects like user or group or computers account, and then we'll try to restore this system state backup, and we'll see if those deleted AD objects recovered or not. So guys, in as of now I think we are good, and in same way you can schedule system state backup. Definitely it will take some time, so you need to just wait till completion. Okay, once it will be completed, you can check the files on the destination folder, like maybe D drive or where you scheduled. Okay, I'm going to close this. It will be get running in the background. So yes, definitely that will take some time. So I think now you have an idea like how to schedule system state backup. Okay, as I already told you, like in next video we will try to restore the backup, system state backup, and we'll see if deleted AD object getting recovered or not using system state backup. So before restoring, what we'll do, we'll delete few AD objects, and then we'll restore this backup, and we'll test if deleted AD objects are getting recovered or not. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if you have any query or concerns, please feel free to drop a comment. Okay, feel free to leave comment. Surely I will try to answer. Okay, thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.